Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal, out here in the garden today at my in-laws place, and we're getting our seeds started. It's very late in the season. Should have probably done it a long time ago. Seem to be always running into this problem, but this year it's particularly bad. It's May 1st today. So we're getting our seeds going. If you remember a while back, I did a video where I talked about how I made these little cold frames. I got 2 of them. There's another one over here. I'm only going to be using one of them for right now. I probably won't use that one at all, the other one, this season. But yeah, we just got a bunch of stuff put into these pots. And what I've done is I've just made one improvement to the setup from last year. So back here I have now put on hinges, which you can hopefully see over there. There's another one on the other side, so that we can you know, basically just put up the cold frame when it's really too warm during the day. Now obviously right now I've just got this big stick holding it up so I could get in and out with the pots easily, but I'm just going to get a much smaller stick so that this can just kind of hang down a lot lower during the day, and then at night just close it up just like that. So yeah, I'm just going to have a little stick holding it up in place to ensure proper ventilation, and so that the plants don't get too hot during the day. I'm going to slide that one back. It looks like it's kind of touching the edge of that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll let you guys know how the you know, plants will be, you know, sprouting and looking after a while. I'm not super worried. We had a really late start to the spring here. Even just last week we still had 0 degrees Celsius on a couple of the mornings, a little bit of frost on the ground, and a bunch of the mornings it was like 1 or 2 degrees. So it's still been really cold. I don't think we've really missed out on too much in the way of growing time. Certainly with the cold frame it would have helped. I'm sure I could have started seeds, you know, weeks ago. But anyway, we'll see. I think even last year we did okay considering how late we started, and I should also be getting some plants from my mother and from my brother as well, because they have a bunch of extras and they're going to give them to me. So I'm not too worried. I'm sure we'll be able to still grow some things, but we'd figured what the heck, why not? We should try our best to get some of our own going. It's just been really too busy to you know, start a proper garden this growing season. I've got a lot of stuff going on at the house, and I've been kind of working part-time as well, so it's been really difficult maintaining everything and trying to keep up with everything going on. So anyway, that's pretty much it. I don't have anything else. Hope everybody's good. I wish everybody a happy Mother's Day. It's Mother's Day tomorrow here in Europe. I think in the US it's probably next week if I remember right. But yeah, happy Mother's Day to every mother out there. And I guess for anybody who's not vegan, I would encourage you to check out my video from a long time ago that I did about dairy and the ethics of dairy consumption. I talk a lot about parenthood, motherhood specifically, and yeah, I would just encourage everybody to consider every mother out there, not just human mothers, but our non-human animal friends as well that are mothers. So anyway, I hope everybody's good, and see you in another video soon. Thanks everybody for your support, and see you in another one. Bye.